Sorry this video is even later than promised, but this heat is outrageous. The Kellogg Switchboard and Supply Company of Chicago made the Masterphone 1000 series, now nicknamed the Red Bar, between 1947 and 1957. The following year, the company, now ITT Kellogg, moved telephone production to a new factory in North Carolina. The distinctive feature of the 1000 series was the patented Kellogg interconnecting block. This Bakelite assembly held the gravity switch, resistors, cord and link terminals, and 3 small multi-pin sockets. Sales brochures claimed it made the 1000 the most versatile telephone on the market. The dial, mounted on the case, could be unplugged, as could the capacitor and induction anti-side-tone coil, allowing the set to be easily reconfigured for different systems. The two handsets are slightly different. The set that is painted blue has the older style handset used with the ashtray Masterphone, whereas the unpainted set has the later design with small fins. A unique feature of these handsets is the shallow ear and mouthpieces. Unlike others, the nail thread is on the cap, meaning that when screwed fully home, there is very little of the caps to grasp to unscrew them. Connection to the inside carbon transmitter and the receiver is via spring clips, which attach to bars molded into the handset. This unique design ensured that only Kellogg sets could be fitted as drop-in replacements. The unpainted black set has a tuned ringer with a spring-pivoted weighted clapper unsuited to 25 Hz ringing current. As this demo shows,